All right, hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you how to create a Discord bot. This is going to be a short video just on the initial setup, but what you're going to want to do is go over here to discord.com, developer docs, getting started. And then if you click this, basically you just follow through this, but I'll show you if there's any little snags here that you might come across when doing this. So if you hit this create app, that'll bring you to this page that I'm looking at here. This is the developer portal. And actually, before you do this, so Discord apps, you want to go to Discord, and then go to settings, and then in your user settings, go to advanced, and you want to make sure that you have this developer mode ticked so that it's green. Okay, so yeah, you want to do a new application here. So first you'll need to create an app, name of the app, and click create. So let's just call this one test. Terms of service, right? You can give it a little description. This is a test. Tags, you can add that if you want. Application ID, public key. This is all stuff that you'll need like when you're coding your bot. So we'll come back to that. Server count, interactions, URLs. You don't really need to worry about this stuff right now. So you can just hit save changes. Right. Yeah, so now we want to configure the bot. So that's this here. There's its username. Here's the token. And then here's the intents. So if you want your bot to be able to like read messages, you'll have to select, I think, at least this one to be able to receive messages, to receive events, listen in guild members. I've just been selecting all of these. Not sure if I need all of those. I know you'll at least need this one to be able to receive messages. Okay, so, and then yeah, the token section. So this is where you can like reset your token. Yes, let's do it. You'll need the token for when you're coding also. You don't want to share this. This is supposed to be just like a private thing for you and your app. But I'm not going to use this, so it doesn't really matter that you guys see my token. That's where we're at. Okay, so now you want to like set up the bot and generate the URL. So you'll use this URL to add it to whatever server you want to add it to. So if I go to applications commands, again, I'm just following the instructions here. This will allow you to, allows your app to create commands. Okay, yeah, so that's nice to have and bot. And then now after you select bot, you can check any of these. I think it's good to have read messages, view channels, send messages, read message history, embed links. These are just some of the things that I think might be useful. Don't mention everyone. Use slash commands. So there's a lot of stuff you can do here. And so you'll see that now this is like filled in this URL. So now I can copy this URL and paste it here. So now I can select a server to add it to. Let's add it to, we'll just add it to Pod Squad for now, and then I'll remove it. So yeah, you can select the server to add it to, and then you can hit authorize. Boom. Verify that you're a human. Boom. And now you'll see that bot just slid into the server. And we should see, yep, there's the name of our bot there on the side. All right, I think that's all I'm going to cover here, because now we're going to get started into like running the actual app. So I'm going to wait on that. But that's basically how you set up and add a bot to your server. All right, thanks for watching.